こんにちは、もぐもぐです。First start off by making the sesame dressing. I would recommend toasting the sesame seeds as it has a nuttiness and it helps add another layer of flavor to your dish. Once it becomes golden brown, transfer it into a bowl. Next, add some seasoning. Sugar, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Alternatively, if you can't be bothered to toast sesame seeds, you can use tahini. Now for the veggies. This time, I'm using asparagus and my sad looking green beans, but it also works well with spinach, broccoli, and probably other veg too. Once the vegetables are cooked, boiled or steamed, mix it with the sesame dressing, and done! I didn't drain my veg, that's because I wanted to reuse the hot water for the main part of my dish. Kippers! You can pan fry these, but I find it easier just boiling it in a bag. 皆さんキッパーズって知っていますか？イギリスでは朝食に食べるらしいです。日本で焼き鮭を食べる感じと同じかな？旅行中に食べるほどのものではないけど、ワーホリなどこちらにいる方におすすめです。袋ごと入れるだけなので超簡単。いただきます。